Hi family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So this is a start of another vlog, and in case you're new here, my name is Ruth. Welcome to the family, and please consider subscribing if you love my content. So today I'm starting up the vlog with an unboxing from bol.com. Yeah, I needed some things, and let's call these ones early Christmas gifts. Yeah, these are necessities because I really need them. So let's see what I bought. These are only 4 items, but very cute and very necessary for that matter. Number 1, this is my micellar cleansing water. Yeah, I can find it from the shops, but I also thought, why not buy these from them? A cute Christmas candle, super nice, just because it's Christmas. I got some sleeping hair nets. These are sleeping hair nets, or at least hair nets that I can wear. They are black, they are nice. It comes into 2. And the last thing that is super important is this hair dryer. Super nice. So let's see. This is very important for me because at least I can straighten my hair after washing. And wow, it comes with a comb. Nice, because I didn't even carry any hair brushes. Then it comes with a diffuser. That's nice. Diffuser. It comes with a gift. And oh, this is a pedicure set. Super nice. Oh, the scissors are coming out. Yeah, pedicure set. Nice. Comes with another 2 combs. Nice. Yeah, you know I don't have combs. And this is the item of the season. So the dryer has this one for precision when you want to blow dry your hair, and the comb. Nice. 2. So it's a 3-piecer. Diffuser, comb, and this one for precision. I don't know what they call it, but the best one is this hair dryer. Very nice color. As you can see, super nice. I can't wait to use it once my hair is out and I can comb it. Oh, I love how it looks. You can see from here how classy it is. Nice. And the combs, this is the one I'm gonna be using most of the time. Nice. The cord is long enough, and the diffuser for drying hair like this in patches. And this one, if I blow dry and I want more precision, obviously I'm gonna be using this one. Lovely. So at least I'm happy with those items. And it also comes with an instructions manual. And yeah, at least you can read something here. We are here for you 5 days a week, and you can expect a response within 24 hours. So my choice was this one, the green version, and all these are the accessories that it came with. Yeah, which I have. Super nice. Yeah, one is England, and at least I can read the instructions in English. This is German. The dryer, it's for home and traveling, and it also shows hydro ion care, heat balance, double protection, and it has hot and cold air. So it has other attributes over here, and I have tested it and it works. So I'm super excited about my purchase. So yeah. let's go right ahead and unbox the second package that I received from bol.com. This is my camera holder, or the stand, and a ring light, because I didn't carry my previous ones from Kenya. So I'm gonna be unboxing this quickly, and then I set up later for me to use, because I've been holding my camera and phone with my hand. First impressions, I already love the packaging. This is a display of how you will set up your camera stand. I love it. There are some product specifications there on the side, and everything looks nice. So I'm excited to unbox and set it up. So let's do that. I'm gonna be showing you more as they come in. We'll be making some butternut soup. Let's do that and enjoy. See you when you're making the soupy. Okay. For my soup, I'm going to use butternut, carrots, and 2 potatoes to bind it together. I saute my onions slowly with a bit of oil, and then I'll add all the ingredients, add water, and simmer it until they are soft, easy to blend. For starters, I make a full batch, and then I can separate it and go spicing it as I like. For now, I have made a full batch. I'm going to add cooking cream and milk so that my soup is complete, and then I'll separate it in a different batch to spice it with a bit of pepper for my taste, and also a little bit more salt or any other ingredient that you'd like to add. So that is the base of the soup, and then the rest you can add to your taste buds. Our soup is ready, butternut soup, just the way I love it. So I'm going to portion a little bit, which I'm going to add some black pepper, some white pepper, some cayenne, just for the spiciness of it, and then we can serve. Side of our soup is ready. So we're gonna serve it. actually buy this soup is so delicious, and these balls make the soup have a crunch. This is yummy. It's also raining. For our dinner, I'm going to make sauteed potatoes with a bit of bacon and French beans. So let's do that. I hope you enjoyed today's episode and you had fun with me. I wish you the best. God bless you, and I can't wait to see you in the next episode. Bye bye.